Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And remember, guys, you can pick up your merch. The link will be the store. The YouTube store is up and running, family. Get your peace and your love. Get your Jam Tours Africa merch. And, show up. Show off the Jam Tours Africa merch, family. So, family, it's the morning time. And as you know, I'm a morning person. I normally wake up at 5 to do my morning routine. And my morning routine is like maybe jog in the morning, exercise and stuff. Just some basics exercise, family, to keep the body active and running. So every morning I'll do that every morning. So I just want to share this with you guys. But what I want to talk about today, family, is that the topic is that let me actually turn the camera around so you can, and then I'll say what the topic will be, family. Yeah, family. So the topic will be what can happen for you, what will happen to you when you steal and you try to defraud a family, a young family. What can happen to you when you try to defraud and steal from a young family? What can happen to your family? What do you think can happen to people who do those things? Because these are the things that God honor these things on earth, because the Bible says you should be fruitful and multiply. So when you see a family trying to be fruitful and multiply, and you try to actually take away that family bread, you cannot prosper in life. And when you see things start happening to you,
think you're prospering.
Yeah, you think you're prospering, but you're not prospering, because when you see what is happening to you, you have to ask yourself, why? Why me? Why I reach so far and now it feels like I want to come back down? Yeah, ask yourself that, family. So I just want to actually do this video for people to be always honest and don't try to cheat people out, because when you do those things, it fall on you and it fall on your child, and it will fall on your family member, family. So I just want to share this video with you, and if you're watching this, you can use this as a guide to go through life seamlessly. And sometimes you have to wonder why some people going through life without no problems. Everything just working and happening for them. And for some other people, as they rise, they fall. As they rise, they fall. So, family, I just, these are the things you have to be mindful of, because the universe is in the control of all things on earth. So no matter how you talk about God, I'm blessed and all kind of this, it's the universe have to actually give you that blessing. Self-praise is no recommendation, family. Self-praise is no recommendation. And when you try to steal from a family, the universe don't like those things. The universe don't like those things, family. I can see Amish is growing, and he's growing, and another one is growing. So you have to be wise. It's a joke, really. Things not. Yeah, family. So that's what when I say these things, family. I say these things because nature is God and God is nature, family. And nature controls all things. Just imagine you wake up in the morning to go to work, and you actually, just as you're ready to go to work, you fall on the ground and you break your foot. But that break your foot, you were supposed to take a taxi, and you were supposed to meet in a bad accident, and maybe you lose your life. But because you break your foot, you never get a chance to actually catch that taxi, because you break your foot. So that's how the universe works, family. You afraid of this dog? It's not a, it's just like a man-made dog. It won't bite. Not like it's a pit bull. See? This dog is not really for protection. See, this dog is just for fun. It's a baby dog. Where you say it's a baby dog?
I know these girls don't want to give birth nowadays, they want to bite them.
So you say girls don't want to give birth nowadays, they want to bite dogs. And also the sleeping with the dogs, you know. I am surprised to see these things.
Maybe I'll wake up and be chummed by her mate.
Guy. That is so bad. You want to sleep with a thing like dog. Dog is that. Why do you think most of these females have a lot of infection and stuff?
Oh, I thought it's going to do.
Yeah?
Listen.
Why do you think these females have a lot of infection? Because the dog carry a lot of germs. And when you try to kiss dog, the dog will lick you, all kind of thing. The dog poop in your house. You know what I mean? All of these things. I don't understand why a human can do that, family. I don't understand how.
To say anything. And anybody who has a dog, don't come in our comment section and start throwing tantrums. This is just us, right? You remember that day we had gone to Shell?
Yeah.
And then a man you can respect, and a lady.
Yeah.
And to be honest, well, I'm not judging or what. I had two dogs in the car. And the dogs are all over the room, and I'm like,
Wow.
so when you give birth, these dogs will feel jealous.
Yeah, they're very jealous.
See, suddenly that's my colleague, a dog, and she has a young girl. She told me each time the dog sees the baby on the mom's bed, oh, she'll come and bite the girl.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's like, I don't know, jealous or something.
Yeah, dog is like a human. If you watch a lot of porn, you'll see that dog having sex with human. Yeah, the play park is full today. Blood clothes. Yeah, family, so this is where I normally go to actually do my exercise. So I normally come here to actually exercise in the morning time. And it's just a good nature-like place where you get in touch with nature. You take off your shoes and get in touch with nature. Yeah, and now I like lay down in the grass for a few minutes to get connected back with nature, family. Amen. Yes, the sun is not out, it's cloudy. See, there's no sun. It's covered by the clouds. But we're just waiting for it to come. So I'm going to take off my shoes because I'm standing on holy ground. Holy ground. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. As I was saying, family, when you stole from a family, when you steal from a family, when you defraud a family, when you try to scam a family, you know what I mean, destruction and prosperity won't follow you. Will never follow you and cannot follow you.
What won't follow them? Distraction. Of course it will follow them. Why won't it follow you?
Yeah. Yes, Amen. Yes, yes. Yes, boy. Yes. 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 Tell the universe for them to refund Jam Tours money. Jam Tours. Them to refund Jam Tours. Not true. Yes. Tell them, Amen. Refund Jam Tours. You're taking away my bread. Refund Jam Tours. Yes. Yes, yes.
I need to wipe your mouth.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Your mouth is that?
Yes, Jam Tours. Yes. Yes. Yeah, family, so I'm going to end this video for now. But if it's the first time you're watching our video, we're actually in Kenya. And we're just living a normal, happy life with the family. And any last words? So I'm actually be taking this smoothie now. Smoothie boy! Smoothie boy! My smoothie boy! Yeah, it's my smoothie boy. Yeah.
Smoothie, not food.
Smoothie. Smoothie.
You know, he normally wants to taste first.
Smoothie boy. Okay. The sun is coming out now.
Good.
Good boy. Yes, the sun is out. Oh, the sun is out. The sun is out. I have to eat up a little. So, do you have any last words?
No.
No last words.
I only
So,
have time for my family, not to make noise with people that I know God will deal with them.
yeah. The universe will deal with you.
I have a baby to deal with. My baby, take baby. Take baby. Baby ham. Okay. You know I speak to him in people at times, but
Yeah.
I wonder what he'll take.
Amesh, Archie Dede.
Oh, look
Archie
at me.
Dede. Nike. Nike.
What did you say, huh? What?
Archie Dede.
Haterere.
Archie Dede. Archie Dede. Nike. Boy?
At least that's a sentence. They're asking him. Let me ask you, what is it?
No, let me
Let me ask you, what is it?
Archie Dede. Nike.
Neke is what is it? What is wrong? Okay.
Yeah, family. So if the first time you're watching this video, I'm gonna do some earthing right now. I'll be walking up and down. I'll be walking up and down in nature. I'll be walking up and down in God.
What is K?
I don't know if you-
You don't know.
Okay.
How much K?
Come.
Take.
Take. Okay. KK.
Guys, Ankeru is there. Guys, you can see my husband is there. Athin, he does that like 15 minutes every morning, 15 to 20 minutes. You know, after doing the exercise, he comes here and do Athin in nature. Can see what our compound looks like. Yeah, and baby Ham is there enjoying himself in his pram. Bobo, how are you feeling? Under the sun. The sun is shining so bright. Hamesh, baby, you are earthing also.
Earthing, boy.
Yay! Walkie walkie. Yes, bye-bye, enjoy it. Walkie walkie. Lift. Lift, lift. Hamesh. Hamesh. Man. Come to mommy. Yes, yes. Baby is running. Running. You breathed. Alright, go back. Kanana.
He's jumping.
Yeah, Kanana.
Whoa! Earthing.
Do exercise.
Earth.
Kanana.
All right, family. So remember to check out the vegan choice foods. Check out the Jam Tours Africa store, family, and get your peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, telling you to go and get your merch from the YouTube store, merch store, family. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.